In the bustling streets of India, a retail war is brewing between two giants, DMart, a powerhouse in the supermarket industry, and Zudio, a rapidly growing fast fashion brand. But what's really at stake here? How is a fast fashion brand like Zudio challenging a grocery giant like DMart? And why does it matter? Stay tuned as we dive deep into the strategies, strengths, and challenges of these two titans to uncover the real story behind this retail clash. Here's the twist. While DMart is known for its groceries, it's the clothing section where they make the most profit. But with Zudio's rapid rise, could DMart's hidden strength be its greatest vulnerability? Let's break it down. Let's start with DMart, the brainchild of Radhakishan Damani, a retail juggernaut in India that has become synonymous with value shopping. Since its inception in 2002, DMart has grown to over 300 stores across the country. But what's the secret behind this incredible success? DMart operates on a simple yet highly effective business model. Everyday low prices, EDLP. This strategy is more than just a marketing slogan. It's a well-crafted approach that targets India's price-sensitive consumers by offering essential goods at consistently low prices. This has resonated deeply with Indian households, especially those looking to stretch their rupees further. But there's more to DMart's success than just low prices. The company owns most of its stores, which drastically reduces operating costs. By eliminating hefty rental expenses, DMart can pass on these savings to customers. This is a stark contrast to other retailers who lease their premises and often have to charge higher prices to cover these costs. DMart's location strategy also plays a critical role by setting up stores in suburban areas where land is cheaper. DMart further drives down its costs. These savings are then passed on to customers, reinforcing their loyalty. Now, let's talk numbers. As of 2023, DMart's revenue was a staggering Rs 800 crore, with 76.8% of it coming from groceries. Groceries are the backbone of DMart's business. But here's where things get interesting. While groceries dominate in sales volume, it's the non-food items, particularly apparel, that contribute the most to DMart's profit margins. DMart's genius lies in using low-priced groceries to attract customers who then end up purchasing higher-margin items like clothes. This cross-category shopping boosts profitability, making the apparel section critical to DMart's success. Now let's turn our attention to Zudio, a brand that's shaking up the Indian retail market with its fast fashion model. Launched in 2016 by the Tata Group under its Trend subsidiary, Zudio has rapidly expanded its footprint with over 545 stores across 164 cities as of 2024. What's driving this explosive growth? Zudio's business model is centered around fast fashion, delivering the latest trends at incredibly affordable prices. The brand targets young, fashion-conscious consumers who are looking for stylish clothing without breaking the bank. In a country where appearance and self-expression are increasingly important, Zudio has struck gold. What sets Zudio apart is its ability to offer a premium shopping experience at affordable prices. The stores are designed to be modern and aesthetically pleasing, creating an environment that's far more engaging than DMart's functional setup. Zudio's success also lies in its agile supply chain. Unlike DMart, which focuses on essentials, Zudio's fast fashion model involves rapid inventory turnover. New collections hit the shelves frequently, keeping the store fresh and enticing for customers. By sourcing most of its merchandise domestically, Zudio can quickly respond to changing fashion trends, which is crucial in an industry where consumer preferences can shift overnight. The numbers are impressive. Zudio's aggressive expansion and high sales volume have significantly boosted Trend's profits. The brand sells an astonishing 90 t-shirts and 17 lipsticks every minute. This volume highlights Zudio's strong appeal among its target audience. Here's where things get interesting. Despite DMart's primary identity as a grocery store, it's the clothing section that's the real profit driver. However, DMart's apparel offering is often seen as functional rather than fashionable. The designs are basic and the shopping experience lacks the ambience that today's consumers crave. But because the prices are low, customers still pick up clothes while shopping for groceries. It's convenient and cheap, even if it doesn't feel particularly special. Zudio. With its focus on offering stylish, trendy clothes at similar price points, Zudio has redefined the shopping experience. Why settle for basic, uninspired designs at DMart when you can get something far more fashionable at Zudio for nearly the same price? The shift in consumer behavior is a direct threat to D-Mart's apparel sales. Zudio's superior shopping experience, bright modern stores filled with the latest fashions, makes buying clothes feel like an event, even if the prices are low. This psychological shift is pulling customers away from D-Mart's apparel section, impacting the profit margins D-Mart has relied on for so long. But the impact doesn't stop there. As Zudio expands, it's encroaching on D-Mart's territory in smaller towns and suburban areas where D-Mart has traditionally been strong. With limited disposable income, every rupee spent on fashion at Zudio is a rupee not spent at D-Mart, directly affecting D-Mart's bottom line. So how do D-Mart and Zudio stack up against each other? On the surface, they seem to cater to entirely different markets. D-Mart with its focus on essentials and Zudio with its fashion-forward approach. But when we dig deeper, we see that both are competing for the same consumer rupee, albeit in different ways. D-Mart's strength lies in offering essential goods at unbeatable prices. This strategy has won the trust of millions of Indian consumers who rely on D-Mart for their everyday needs. However, the downside is that D-Mart's focus on cost control sometimes comes at the expense of the shopping experience. The apparel section, for example, lacks the variety and style that many shoppers now expect, especially when compared to a dedicated fashion brand like Zudio. On the other hand, Zudio's strength is its ability to offer a premium shopping experience at affordable prices. The brand has tapped into the aspirations of young Indians who want to stay on trend without spending a fortune. However, the fast fashion model that drives Zudio's success also comes with its risks. Rapid expansion and frequent inventory turnover can lead to logistical challenges and market saturation. But the Tata Group isn't just relying on Zudio to challenge D-Mart. Their supermarket chain, Star Bazaar, is slowly expanding its presence, often placing stores right next to Zudio outlets. This creates a unique retail ecosystem where shoppers can get both their groceries and fashion needs met in one trip, without the perception issues that D-Mart faces. This strategy leverages the strengths of both brands, Star Bazaar for essentials and Zudio for fashion, while maintaining a distinct identity for each. Unlike D-Mart, where the grocery and apparel sections are intertwined, Tata's approach keeps them separate but adjacent, preserving the premium feel of Zudio's shopping experience. This clever positioning could pose a significant challenge to D-Mart's dominance, particularly if Tata continues to expand this dual-store model. So what does the future hold for D-Mart and Zudio? Both brands have proven their mettle in the fiercely competitive Indian retail market. D-Mart, with its focus on low prices and essential goods, has built a loyal customer base that's hard to beat. On the other hand, Zudio's fast fashion model and premium shopping experience have struck a chord with younger consumers who are driving the future of retail. But as the battle between these two giants intensifies, one thing is clear: the Indian retail landscape is evolving rapidly, and the consumer is the ultimate winner. Whether it's the essentials at D-Mart or the latest fashion at Zudio, one thing is certain: the competition between these two brands is far from over. If you found this analysis intriguing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the business world, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.